Well, hello there, I'm Jord from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making oven roasted curried carrots. It's fall, so that asks for some warm and deep spices. And since I'm Dutch, I also like the color orange, so I was like, why not make orange carrots with some sweet and delicious flavors? So, let's start.
We only need a couple ingredients for this recipe: carrots, extra virgin olive oil, curry powder, salt and a garlic clove. First of all, peel all of the carrots. Next, cut all the carrots in half and cut off the hard ends. This helps the carrots to be cooked nice and even. Put all of the carrots into a large bowl and add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Don't forget to add salt. And next, all of the curry powder. Squeeze in 1 garlic clove or more if you prefer. Mix everything together until all the carrots are coated. Put them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake them for 30 to 40 minutes in a 210 degrees Celsius oven. Make sure to toss them a couple of times so you won't end up with black carrots. Eat them while hot or let them cool down and enjoy!
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos of me. And I want you to let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I see you in the next one.